Alright, so I'll pour it out. You can see. And here we have pumpkin smoothie, with oats and dragon stout. We have molasses, molasses. Vanilla. We have nut. We have good old nutmeg. Yeah, so here we have some pumpkin seed. Pumpkin seed. We'll cut up them pumpkin here now. Cure it a little bit.
Minutes have passed and the girls have entertained themselves by listening to all kinds of music. They're dancing, they're looking around, they're having a good time.
Put them in the warm water for go and boil out. And here we have the water. So we're gonna put them in the water for boil. Put the pumpkin in the water if you just get this starch out. That's alright. So back to this now, so I'm gonna get this together. Just a small piece of plant. Like small piece of plantain. Dice up. Dice up, dice up. Dice up. So now we'll put in them here. Yeah. Planting. We have the pumpkin seed. Pumpkin seed. We have the banana right now. Banana. to put too much. But all of these things are going here. Not too much. A bit of this and a bit of that. Yeah. So this now go to a jug and start. I put like about half in it. We have the vanilla rasco. Can I use coconut milk if I want? Not much. I think it's already sweet. That's enough. I have the nutmeg. I have a grater, the nutmeg. The nutmeg. That's it. And now just go add some of the vanilla itself. Put a cork vanilla. Alright. Stay tuned. Okay, so we have the pumpkin now. Pumpkin. I'll pour the pumpkin in there. Yeah. And these are some molasses. So I have some molasses in there. Molasses. Just a little teaspoon. Yep. Let's see, maybe like a cup of water. I think a cup of water will do. Right here. Give it a shot. And I am going to thick. Still thick. Should there's some water now, eh? Here we go again. Just I go get some ice. Alright, so I'll pour it out. You can see. And here we have pumpkin smoothie, you know, with oats and two different things in it. So, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. More awesome content.